students. Last class we have seen about the topic sex-linked inheritance. Okay, so sex-linked inheritance is a X-linked inheritance and Y-linked inheritance. The disease color blindness, hemophilia, and Y-linked inheritance. Example disease name. So next, last topic, pedigree analysis. Okay, today we are going to see about a new topic, genetic disorder. Okay, what is genetic disorder? Genetic disorder is a disease or syndrome that is caused by an abnormality in an individual DNA. Okay, what is genetic disease? Genetic disease is a disease or disorder. Okay, genetic disease is a disease or disorder that is caused by an abnormality of an individual DNA. Abnormality of an individual DNA. Okay. So the genetic disorder mainly mutation is occur. What is mutation? Mutation means sudden changes in the chromosome. It is called mutation. Sudden changes in entire chromosome or even a set of chromosome. Okay, next term, mutation. What is mutation? Mutation means sudden changes in the chromosomes. Sudden changes in the chromosome is called mutation. Okay, mutation means sudden changes in the chromosome, entire chromosome or even a set of chromosome. How many chromosomes in our human body? Already know 46 chromosome, 23 pairs. Okay, 23 pairs of chromosome. So chromosome may be changed the entire chromosome or even a set of chromosome. So entire chromosome means sometimes full and full chromosome. The 46 chromosome maybe change the 47, okay, or 45. Okay, even a set of chromosome, yes, or sex, autosomal chromosome or body or sex chromosome, any one of the chromosome may be changed. That is called mutation. Okay, next one, the genetic disorders mainly two types. First one classified into two types. First Mendelian disorder. Second one chromosomal disorder. The first one genetic disease is classified into two types, Mendelian disorder, who is Mendel? John Crichton Mendel, okay, father of genetics. Mendelian disorder, another one, chromosomal disorder. Okay, first we see the Mendelian disorder. What is Mendelian disorder? Mendelian disorder means alteration or mutation in a single gene is called Mendelian disorder. What is the meaning of Mendelian disorder? Alteration or mutation of single gene is called Mendelian disorder. Mendelian disorder are transferred from one generation to next generation. What is the meaning of one generation to next generation? One generation to next generation. What is the meaning of one generation to next generation? For example, parents to offspring, parents to young ones, are offsprings. Okay, the disorders names in the first one, thalassemia. The disorder name, thalassemia. So second one, phenylketonuria. Okay, third one, albinism. Fourth one, hemophilia. So fifth one, Huntington chorea. The name Huntington, sorry. Huntington chorea. Huntington chorea. Okay, first these are the 5 diseases. Thalassemia first one, second one phenylketonuria, albinism, hemophilia and Huntington chorea. Okay, the 5 diseases are transferred from one generation to next generation. It is a hereditary disease. Another one important point, the disorder may be dominant or recessive, autosomal or sex linked genes. What is the meaning of dominant? Dominant means maybe affect the dominant gene, okay, or recessive gene. So affect may be dominant or recessive or autosomal or sex linked. Oh, okay, maybe affect the dominant gene. Dominant gene, for example, TT, capital T. Recessive means small t, that is called recessive gene. So next one, autosomal means body chromosome, maybe affect the body chromosome. Sex linked means maybe affect the sex chromosome, X chromosome or Y chromosome, that is called sex linked chromosomes. Okay. So next topic, first we see the disease thalassemia. The disease name thalassemia. Thalassemia. Thalassemia is a autosomal recessive disorder. It is very important one. It is a autosomal recessive disorder. Okay, it is autosomal recessive is very important one word, learn it. Okay, it is autosomal recessive disorder. It is caused by gene mutation. So resulting of erythroplastic anemia. எதனால வருது அப்படினா gene mutation. So resulting in erythroplastic anemia. என்ன ஆகும் அப்படினா erythroplastic anemia. What is the meaning of anemia? Tamila ratta sogainu solluvaanga. What is the meaning of erythroplastic na? It is a destruction of RBC. What is RBC? RBC means red blood corpuscles, that is called RBC. Okay, this is transferred from one generation to next generation. Okay, but mainly due to the formation of abnormal hemoglobin molecules. எதனால அப்படினா main reason due to the formation of abnormal hemoglobin synthesis. Abnormal hemoglobin. What is hemoglobin? What is hemoglobin? Hemoglobin is a protein. Hemo means blood. Globin means protein. So hemoglobin is a protein. It is a respiratory pigment. It gives red color to the blood. Okay, it is a respiratory pigment. It gives red color to the cell. Normally, hemoglobin is made up of 4 polypeptide chains, 2 alpha chain and 2 beta chain. Okay. Normally hemoglobin is made up of 4 polypeptide chain. 4 polypeptide chain, 2 alpha chain and 2 beta chain. Okay, thalassemia patients affect may be alpha chain or beta chain, any one, maybe either affected alpha chain or beta chain. Okay, it is divided. Thalassemia is again classified into 2 types, alpha thalassemia and beta thalassemia. Okay, next thalassemia is classified into 2 types, alpha thalassemia and beta thalassemia. Okay, which can be divide position of hemoglobin is affected. Okay, alpha, another one beta thalassemia. Alpha thalassemia and beta thalassemia. It is controlled by a gene chromosome present in the HP gene, 2 type of gene, HP A1, HP HPA2. This type of gene present in chromosome on 16. Chromosome on 16. Okay, it is very important one word. Note it. So, it is controlled by two type of gene. It is located on chromosome 16 la present irukkum. The gene name HPA1. So, another one HPA2. Okay. So, next one, the first one, what is alba thalassemia means? Maybe affect or mutation in the alba chain. So, production of alba chain is increases. It caused alba thalassemia. Okay. Next one, beta thalassemia. What is beta thalassemia means? It affects the beta chain. Production of hemoglobin molecules affected in the beta chain is called beta thalassemia. It is controlled by a gene HPA present in the chromosome 12. Chromosome 12. Okay. So, next one. Next one, it is commonly, the thalassemia is commonly called as Cooley's anemia. It is commonly called as Cooley's anemia. Cooley's anemia. Okay, what is the meaning of Cooley's anemia means? Mainly affected the alba chain. Okay, mainly affected the alba chain. The production of hemoglobin is increased in the alba chain. Okay, next type, phenylketonuria. Next one, phenylketonuria. Next disease. Second one, phenylketonuria. Phenylketonuria is a metabolic disease. It is accumulated the phenylalanine in the blood. Okay, phenylketonuria is a metabolic disease. Metabolic disease accumulate by a characterized by accumulation of phenylalanine in the blood. Edhula blood la enna irukum? Phenylalanine. In normal metabolism, phenylalanine is converted into phenylalanine tyrosine. Okay, phenylalanine is converted to tyrosine by the enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase. Okay, the enzyme name normally phenylalanine is converted to tyrosine by the enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase. Okay, this is very important. Normal metabolism, phenylalanine is converted to tyrosine with the help of enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase. Okay, it is an inborn error of metabolism. It is caused by pair of autosomal recessive gene. This is what gene? It is an autosomal pair of autosomal recessive gene. It is a pair of autosomal recessive gene. It is a inborn error of metabolism. What is the meaning of inborn error? Inborn error of metabolism. Okay. What is the meaning of inborn error of metabolism means? The disease, the autosomal recessive genes arise from birth is called inborn error of metabolism. Arising from birth. பிறக்கும் போதே உங்களுக்கு என்ன ஜீன் பிரசன்ட் ஆயிருக்கும்? இந்த ஆட்டோசோமல் ரெசசிவ் ஜீன் பிரசன்ட் ஆயிருக்கும். தட் இஸ் அவங்களுக்கு என்ன டிசீஸ் வரும்? இந்த phenylketonuria disease. Okay, the gene is located on chromosome 12. The gene is located on the chromosome 12. Okay, the gene is located on the chromosome. It is controlled. The gene enga located na chromosome number 12. It is a hereditary disease. What is the meaning of hereditary? The disease transfer from parents to offspring. That is called hereditary disease. The phenylalanine enzyme cannot. Okay, the phenylalanine enzyme converted to tyrosine. The phenylalanine accumulate in the blood. So it is converted to phenylalanine pyruvic acid and phenylalanine lactic acid. Okay, for example, the phenylalanine hydroxylase is absent in some persons affected to phenylketonuria disease. So excess of phenylalanine pyruvic acid, phenylalanine pyruvic acid, another one phenylalanine lactic acid. Okay, two type of acid, phenylalanine pyruvic acid, phenylalanine lactic acid. Okay, accumulate in the blood. And another one CSF. What is the meaning of CSF? CSF means cerebrospinal fluid. Tamilla moolai tanduvada diravam solvaanga. Okay, the two final molecules of phenylalanine pyruvic acid or phenylalanine lactic acid is deposited or accumulate in blood and cerebrospinal fluid. So the excess of phenylalanine pyruvic acid and lactic acid excreted in the urine. Okay, which patient gave that? The phenylalanine recessive gene. உங்களுக்கு என்ன இருக்கு? The phenylalanine hydroxylase enzyme is absent. So the phenylalanine cannot converted to tyrosine. So the disease name is called phenylketonuria. The two acids are produced in the accumulate in the blood. That is called phenylpyruvic acid, phenyllactic acid. It is excreted in the urine. So mainly affected the children. The main problem, nervous system affected. For next one, mental defect. Another one, second one, affect the nervous system. Light pigmentation of hair and eye. The disease is light pigmentation hair layum eye layum irukum. So next disease, albinism. The next disease, albinism. Albinism is an inborn error of metabolism. It is a hereditary disease. Okay. Next disease, albinism. It is an inborn error of metabolism. Okay, it is inborn error. It is a hereditary disease due to the autosomal recessive gene. This is the same the autosomal recessive gene. Autosomal recessive gene is caused by autosomal recessive gene. Okay, it is very important. Notice. So next one, melanin pigment. What is melanin pigment? Melanin is one of the pigment. Melanin pigment is very important for the skin color. Okay, first one, melanin pigment. Melanin pigment is very important for skin color. Okay, skin color. Sometimes melanin pigment is absent. That is called, this condition is known as albinism. Okay, melanin pigment is absent. Absence of melanin pigment is the condition is known as albinism. Affected persons are called albinos. Affected person. Okay. For normally, in normal metabolism, DOBA means dihydroxyphenylalanine. In normal metabolism, 3 and 4 dihydroxyphenylalanine. Dihydroxyphenylalanine is converted to melanin. With the help by the enzyme tyrosinase. The enzyme name tyrosinase. Okay. So in normal metabolism, 3,4 dihydroxyphenylalanine is converted to melanin with the help of enzyme tyrosinase. Okay, a person with a recessive allele, the person with a recessive allele, okay, recessive allele, the Tyrosinase cannot produce. Okay, the affected person, tyrosinase enzyme cannot produce. So dihydroxyphenylalanine cannot convert to melanin. That is called, it is also known as albinism. Okay, the affected persons are called albinos. அவங்களுக்கு எப்படி இருக்கும்னா பாத்தீங்கன்னா skin is pale in color. Another one important point, and the eyes and brown are brown in color. Okay, sometimes நிறைய பேர் பாத்தீங்க full அந்த white colorல இருப்பாங்கல்ல, it is sensitive to light. அவங்களுக்கு வந்து லைட்டை பார்த்தாலே பிடிக்காது. It is sensitive to light. Affected persons sensitive to light, skin pearl in color. Okay, eyebrow eye brown in color. This is called albinos. அவங்கள நிறைய பேர் பார்த்துருப்போம், அப்படி வெள்ளை வெள்ளையன் ஒயிட் கலரில் அப்படி பால் ஒயிட்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, மில்க் ஒயிட் கலரில் அந்த மாதிரி இருப்பாங்க. அவங்கள தான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்கிறோம்னா albinos. The disease name albinism. It is a hereditary disease. It is transferred from one generation to next generation disease. Okay, mainly is caused by autosomal recessive allele gene. இதான் காஸ் பண்ணுது. So next one disease name Huntington chorea. Next disease name Huntington chorea. Huntington's Huntington chorea. Okay, it is a inherited autosomal dominant lethal gene. It is very important. The above three inherited autosomal recessive gene, but Huntington chorea it is a autosomal dominant lethal gene. It is autosomal dominant lethal gene. What is the meaning of lethal? Lethal means kill. Maximum the disease vandavanga it will be leads to death. So it is called kill. Lethal means kill. Yarandu poiruvaanga. It is a autosomal dominant lethal gene. It is very important. Notice. It is characterized by involuntary jerking of body. What is the meaning of involuntary jerking of body? Involuntary jerking of body. அப்படினா உங்களோட பாடி என்ன செய்யும், ஜெர்க்கிங்னா அப்படியே உதறற மாதிரி ஒரு அங்கங்க அப்படி பிடிச்சி உதறற மாதிரி நரம்பெல்லாம் இழுக்கிற மாதிரி ஒரு ஃபீலிங் இருக்கும். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் degeneration of nervous system. Degeneration of nervous system. Okay, so affected with the main symptom involuntary jerking of body. Another one degeneration of nervous system. The affected persons may be death between the age of 35 to 40. Okay, affected the person die the age between 35 to 40. It is very important one word, note it. Okay, so what is Huntington chorea? Huntington is autosomal dominant lethal gene. What are the main symptoms? Involuntary jerking of body, degeneration of nervous system. Okay, affected persons die age between the 35 to 40. Okay, first see the disease thalassemia, phenylketonuria, albinism. The both three are autosomal recessive gene, but the Huntington chorea only dominant lethal gene is very important one word, note it. So next topic karyotyping. Next topic karyotyping. What is karyotyping? Karyotyping is a technique. Chromosome is separated from a cell that are arranged in pairs. It is called karyotyping. Karyotyping it is one of the technique. It is a technique. Chromosomes are arranged. Chromosomes are arranged from the cell. Chromosomes are arranged from the cell and chromosomes are separated from the cell and arranged in pair. That is called karyotyping. Chromosomes are arranged from cell, separated from cells and arranged in pair. How many chromosomes? Already know 23 pairs of chromosome. So arranged in pairs. What is ideogram? What is ideogram? Is nothing but a diagrammatic representation of chromosome is called ideogram. What is the name? Ideogram. Ideogram means it is a diagrammatic representation of chromosome. Diagrammatic representation of chromosome. Okay, how many chromosomes? Totally 46 chromosomes. 43 chromosomes are 23 pairs of chromosome. So the first arranged in the chromosome are first one A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, first A chromosome. A la every chromosome now 1, 2, 3. Next B, 4, 5 chromosome. C group la 6 to 12 chromosome. Okay, next 12, 13, 15. Next 16, 17, 18. F group 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay, so how many years? A division of A group la first 3 chromosome, B group la 4 and 5 chromosome, C group la 6 to 12 chromosome, totally 6 chromosome. Next D group la 12, 13, 15, E group 16, 17, 18. Next F group 19, 20 chromosome. So last G group 21 and 22 chromosome. Where is it present? There X chromosome and Y chromosome. X chromosome present in the C group la X chromosome. Next Y chromosome present in the G group. Okay, it is very important one word. Note it. It is very important. X chromosome present on the group C and Y chromosome located on the chromosome G. Okay. Next, what is the use of the application of karyotyping? Means first it help in the gender identification. To help in the gender identification. Application of karyotyping. Application of karyotyping. Okay, first it help in the gender identification. It help gender identification. What is the meaning of gender identification? Means gender means male or female. The baby identify the male or female. That is called gender identification. It is a technique named amniocentesis. Within 1 month you will identify the sex, male or female. Easily identify this method. So second one, it helps to identify the chromosomal abnormalities. Chromosomal abnormalities. Chromosomal abnormalities. Abnormality. What is the meaning of chromosomal abnormality? Means some chromosomes are deletion and distinction and translocation. What is the meaning of translocation? Location mari irukla, homologous and non-homologous irukla. Maybe some changes occurs. Okay, that is called chromosomal abnormality. So the last one, a chromosome it help in the identify the diploid or aneuploid. What is the meaning of aneuploid? Aneuploid means entire chromosome set are changed. That is called aneuploid. Ploidy அப்படினு சொல்லுவாங்க. It is called ploidy. Okay, aneuploid method கண்டுபிடிக்க யூஸ் ஆகுது. So last one, human karyotype. What is the meaning of human karyotype? Karyotype means chromosomes are separated from a cell or arranged in a pair. It is called Karyotyping. Human karyotyping means human chromosomes are separated from a cell, are arranged in a pair, that is called human karyotyping. The main stage colchicine அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு மெடிசன், அந்த மெடிசன் பேர் colchicine. ஓகே, எந்த ஸ்டேஜஸ் செல் டிவிஷனை ஸ்டாப் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா மெட்டாபேஸ். செல் டிவிஷன் stop metapase. This stage easily identify the arrange the chromosome and identify and separate and arrange the chromosome. Okay, this is called karyotyping, human karyotyping. Okay students, what to learn today? Today first we see the what is genetic disorder. Genetic disorder is divided into two types, mentalic disorder and chromosomal disorder. Or next mentally disorder type, first this is thalassemia, Huntington chorea, okay, phenylketonuria, hemophilia, albinism diseases. Last we see the topic karyotyping. What is karyotyping? What are the applications of karyotyping and human karyotyping? Okay. Today homework. What is karyotyping and explain the application of karyotyping. What is karyotyping? Define karyotyping. What are the applications of karyotyping? Applications of karyotyping. Thank you students.